Why are you standing there?
I am standing here because I am waiting for my friend.
Where are they swimming?
They are swimming in the pool.
Who is playing the guitar?
My cousin is playing the guitar.
What is she buying?
She is buying a new dress.
Where are you eating dinner?
I am eating dinner at home.
Who is watering the plants?
My dad is watering the plants.
Why is the baby sleeping?
The baby is sleeping because it is tired.
Where are you sitting?
I am sitting on the sofa.
What are you bringing to the party?
I am bringing cake to the party.
Who is cooking dinner tonight?
My mom is cooking dinner tonight.
What is she making?
She is making a necklace.
Where are we going today?
We are going to the zoo.
What is she doing?
She is drawing a picture.
Why are you running?
I am running because I am late.
Where is he sitting?
He is sitting on the chair.
What are they cooking?
They are cooking dinner.
Why is she dancing?
She is dancing because she is happy.
What are you watching?
I am watching a cartoon.
Who is coming with us?
My sister is coming with us.
Where are you walking?
I am walking to school.
Why is the dog barking?
The dog is barking at the cat.
What is your dad fixing?
My dad is fixing the car.
Why are they waiting?
They are waiting for the bus.
Who is playing the piano?
My cousin is playing the piano.
What are you painting?
I am painting a tree.
Why are you laughing?
I am laughing because the joke is funny.
Where is your mom going?
My mom is going to the store.
What is he drawing?
He is drawing a house.
Why are you whispering?
I am whispering because the baby is sleeping.
Who is riding the bike?
My friend is riding the bike.
What is she drinking?
She is drinking juice.
Where are they playing?
They are playing in the garden.
Who is cleaning the room?
My sister is cleaning the room.
What are you writing?
I am writing a list.
Where is your brother?
My brother is playing outside.
Why is she shouting?
She is shouting because she is angry.
What is he eating?
He is eating a sandwich.
Where is your dad working?
My dad is working in the office.
Who is calling you?
My friend is calling me.
What are you searching for?
I am searching for my toy.
Why are you tired?
I am tired because I am running.
What is your mom cooking?
My mom is cooking pasta.
Who is talking on the phone?
My uncle is talking on the phone.
Where is the cat sleeping?
The cat is sleeping on the sofa.
What are you learning?
I am learning math.
Why are you smiling?
I am smiling because I am happy.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing a red dress.
Where is your dog running?
My dog is running in the yard.
Who is helping you?
My brother is helping me.
Why is he jumping?
He is jumping because he is excited.
What are you doing after school?
I am going to the park after school.